If Hadoop was powerful, Spark was lightning. Welcome to Tech History Episode 4. In 2009, a group of researchers at UC Berkeley created Apache Spark to solve the limitations of Hadoop. Unlike the traditional system, Spark could process big data much faster using in-memory computing. It quickly became the go-to tool for handling large-scale analytics and machine learning tasks. Today, Spark pipelines at companies like Netflix, Uber, and Amazon, making it one of the most impactful big data technologies ever built. Next up in Tech History, Episode 5, ChatGPT, the AI that took the world by storm. So don't forget to follow and keep yourself updated.